What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enhance, how to improve your privacy and how to enable the do not track option that you have on your browser, so your browser can tell to all the websites that you want to not be tracked. The websites can honor this or not, but your part you have made. How to do this in a simple, fast and effective method using Google Chrome is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to the browser, review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to your photo, there is these three little dots. Click on it. Then click on settings, okay? Next to help. You're gonna be able to see these options right here. Review the left sidebar of menus. We have You and Google, autofill, and privacy and security. We're gonna focus into this one. Now scroll down just a little bit and review the privacy and security settings. Delete browsing data, privacy, third-party cookies, add privacy, security, site settings. Go to third-party cookies, okay? Then scroll down just a little bit and here is the guide. Into the advanced tab, send a do not track request with your browser traffic. Sites use this direction when responding to this request. You can enable this. Enable do not means that requires will include your browsing traffic. Any effect depends on whether website responds to the request or not, okay? So basically, all you have to do is set this as on and you are good to go. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.